Now you can work faster and smarter with new Easyfit taps from Bristan. Designed for first and second fix installation, Easyfit is an innovative three-step solution that makes installation a doddle. Firstly, remove and check the components in the box. Included should be a base fitting, the tap body, 2 flexi tails with isolators, and 2 Allen keys. First, you need to fit the tap base. This can be done before the suite is installed. Take the Easyfit base and remove the unthreaded barrel on the left. Unscrew the remaining threaded barrel. With the base and backplate separated, simply slide the backplate through the tap hole and position the base correctly facing forward. Then, hand tighten the threaded barrel using the large Allen key supplied. Next, return the unthreaded barrel into the tap base. Now, screw the flexi tails provided to the back of the base and secure tightly by hand. With the basin now in place, connect the flexi tails to the water supply using the compression fittings. Tighten securely using grips. Sealing the basin is easy without the tap body in place. The protective cap prevents damage during the process. When the bathroom's good to go, remove the caps and firmly place the tap body onto the base. Tighten the grub screws on each side with the small Allen key provided. The flexi tails come complete with an integral isolator, so you can manage the water supply locally in future. The ceramic disc means the lever always turns smoothly and reliably, and is highly durable too. The universal base design means you can change the style of mixer at any time. First, isolate the water. Then loosen the grub screws on either side of the body and swap over to your new choice of tap. Once in place, ensure you tighten the grub screws before turning the water supply back on. The Easyfit design makes any future maintenance quick and easy. And all our Easyfit taps and mixers come with a watertight 5-year guarantee. Easyfit solutions are available now for bath and basin products in the range. Easyfit from Bristan. Faster, smarter.